Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making yuca fries. Yuca is this vegetable right here. It's a rooty vegetable. It has a root running straight across from one end to the other, and it's sort of like a potato. The other name for yuca is called cassava. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this. So let's get started. So I'm going to rinse this off and I'll be back. Okay, so I have a pot of water. Then I'm going to put the yuca in, and I'm going to add some salt. Just so that they have a little flavor. And I'm gonna let this come to a boil, and I'll be back. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to get the garlic ready for the mojo that I'm gonna make. So it's been 20 minutes, and the yuca is starting to get soft. At this time I like to add some garlic, so I'm gonna add some garlic just to give it some flavor. So the yuca is soft enough for me to take out. So I'm gonna let it cool off, take it out the water and let it cool off, and then I'm gonna go on to the next step. So the yuca is soft enough for me to take out, so I'm gonna remove them. Gotta be careful, I don't want to really break these. Let's take this one out first. Make one with that, but I'll see what. And this is my garlic, which I'm not going to waste. I love garlic. Just put that on the side. See if I have anything else in here. This garlic. No. I think I took all the garlic out. Okay. So now I'm going to start cutting up the yuca so I can start making the fries. Okay, so this is the cord that runs down the middle of the yuca. Just discard this part of the yuca because you don't need it. Okay, so here are my yuca cut up, and I'm going to start frying them in this oil. So here we go. Okay. And you want to fry them till they're golden brown on the bottom. And you're going to turn them over and do the other side. Okay, so they're ready to come out. And they look nice and crunchy. I'm just putting some parsley flakes over the yuca fries, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to serve it up. Okay, so now I'm heating up some oil to make my mojo. Just going to heat this up. So I'm going to make my mojo. So I'm just pouring some olive oil over the garlic. And basically what it's doing is cooking the garlic. Now I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of lime juice. And now my mojo is done. And this smells absolutely delicious. I wish you guys could smell it. I'm going to add some salt over the yuca fries. And these yuca fries are really, really delicious. You really have to try one. So I'm going to try this one and show you how delicious these are. They're nice and crunchy, and they're delicious. And I definitely have to put a little mojo on it because I wouldn't be complete without it. Delicious. Well guys, it's time for me to go. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.